Yo, welcome back to another one. This probably be a short, quick video because your boy feels like shit. But yes, so let's get right into it. So we're gonna be working on this thing today. I showed y'all on the last video stuff that we got painted. The wing is one of them. So today we're gonna try to put that on this and just mount it up real quick. It shouldn't take long. I did not paint the base plate. See how it looks like that. If I put it on and it does not look good, then take it back off and then paint it whatever color, which will be either color match or black. But let's get to it. Just got the base plate mounted on it. At first I was trying to mount the base plate. Forgot that you gotta put the base plate to the wing first, and then last it would be the whole thing onto the car. But yeah, and I don't think I have the screws or bolts or whatever for these holes to attach that on. But if I can't find something, I'm gonna have to get some. But I'll still throw it on there. But right now we're gonna attach the carbon piece to the back and then go from there. Just got the carbon trim on. Everything is on now. I found some screws. I hope they're long enough. But I'm gonna get it on there and let's see what it looks like. So that's how it turned out. Not bad. Give you a further look so you can see how it goes with the car. Yeah, I think we'll keep it like that. But stay tuned for the next one, and I'll see y'all.